Good morning, dear friends. I am Dr. Shamsher Singh, Professor in Management, working in RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus. Dear friends, hope all are doing well. And today's video is about importance of financial management. So let's get right into the video. Finance is the lifeblood and nerve center of a business, just as circulation of blood is essential in the human body for maintaining life. Finance is very essential to smooth running of the business. It has been rightly termed as universal lubricant which keeps the enterprise dynamic. No business, whether big, medium, or small, can be started without an adequate amount of finance right from the very beginning, that is, receiving an idea to business. Finance is needed to promote or establish the business, acquire fixed assets, make investigation such as market surveys, etc., develop product, keep man and machine at work, encourage management to make progress and create values. Even an existing concern may require further finance for making improvement or expanding the business. Thus, the importance of finance cannot be overemphasized, and the subject of business finance has become at most important both to the academics and practicing managers. The academicians find interest in the subject because the subject is still in its developing stage, and the practicing managers are interested in the subject because among the most crucial decisions of a firm are those related to finance. The importance of corporation finance, which is continuant of business finance, has arisen because of the fact that present day business activities are predominantly carried on company or corporate form of organization. The advent of corporate enterprise has resulted into to increase in size and influence of the business enterprise and wide distribution of corporate ownership and separation of ownership and management. In this way, you can say these factors have further increased the importance of corporation finance, as the owner, shareholder in a corporate enterprise are widely scattered and the management is separated from the ownership. The management has to ensure the maximization of owners' economic welfare. The success and growth of a firm depend upon adequate return on its investment. The investor or shareholder can be attracted by a firm only by maximization of their wealth through the application of principles and procedure as laid down by corporate finance. The knowledge of the discipline of corporate finance is important not only to the practicing managers but also to other who deal with a corporate enterprise, such as investors, lenders, bankers, creditors, etc., as there is always a scope for the management to manipulate and window dress the financial statements. In the present day capitalistic regime, the size of the business enterprise is increasing, resulting into corporate empires empowered with a lot of social and political influence. This make corporation finance shall the more important. Okay, dear student, these are the some importance of financial management. Hope so you understand. Thank you. Thank you very much.